Hi! Today we're going to learn about long division with polynomials. Let's say we have a problem like we have to divide the thing in the division sign is 6x cubed plus x squared minus 33x plus 17. And the number outside the division sign is 2x minus 3. And we have to find the quotient, which is when we divide these two numbers together. Now, before we start dividing polynomials, we have to know that this is the most important part of the polynomial outside. And in here, everything is equal. But this is the most important part, and this just follows it. So let's get started with dividing polynomials. Now, let's look at 2x and 6x cubed. How many times does 2x go into 6x cubed? Well, it goes 3x squared times. Now, if we look at this, we also have to multiply these. It'll be negative 9x squared minus 9x squared. But we have to change the signs because we're subtracting. And negative, positive equals negative, and negative equals positive. So, in total, this would cancel out, and then this would be 10x squared. Now we're going to take this one down, minus 33x. So, if we look at this, how many times does 2x go into 10x squared? It goes 5x times, plus 5x. So it would be 10x squared. And if we have to multiply these, it would be negative 15x. So it would be minus 15x. Now we have to change signs again because negative positive equals negative, and negative negative equals positive. So in total, these would cancel out, and this would be negative 18x. Now we have to take this down. It would be plus 17. So how many times does 2x go into negative 18x? Well, it goes negative 9 times. So it'll be 18x, negative 18x. And how many times does negative 3 go into negative 9? Plus 27. But if we know that we have to change signs because we're subtracting. So negative negative equals positive, and negative positive equals negative. So these would cancel out, and then we would have a remainder of negative 10. So our quotient would be negative 10 over 2x minus 3. Because remember, you always have to divide the remainder by the number outside the division sign. So it would be negative 10 over 2x minus 3. So the answer would be 3x squared plus 5x minus 9 with the remainder of negative 10 over 2x minus 3. Today we learned about long division with polynomials.